Aku nggak bisa screen share ya, Kak.
Bisa.
Nah,
Ini mau jangan.
dan
Lanjut.
aku lakukan sih.
Iya, Kak Cika tuh belum nyatet ini.
Alah, kita masih data visualization.
Kak Cika tuh mau bikin apa coba? Mau bikin sertifikat buat Vicky sama Arafat tuh berarti 3 ya. Ingetin ya. Saya mau
Oke.
dulu. Berarti 1 tuh ingetin fake. Awas ya kalau lupa. Kalau ditanya awas kalau lupa. Kak Cika mau bikin 1 intro. Intro tuh kan yang kode saya inget gak? Catat dulu. Vicky and Arafat certificate. Certificates. Eh, 1 intro to Python kan, yang kode saya, ya kan. Yang kedua, 100 days of Python
Hmm.
programming kan, yang Replit ya. 4 malah ya. Yang ini udah berapa sih, Fik? Ingetin dong. Astaga, visualization. Ini data visualization doang ya?
Nggak tahu
Oh, enggak,
dokumennya
malah 4.
kapan sih?
Python.
Udah 100%.
Aduh, data Kak Cika tuh soalnya yang bikin lama mesti ngelihat lagi silabus ya, Fik, yang kita udah kerja di
Bon kali ya kemarin.
Python and
Kemarin aku sih Bon tahu. Kayaknya data visualization udah 100%.
ya, taruh.
Make a bar plot.
Ini oke nggak sih, Fik? Ini bener
Udah.
nggak ada yang kelewat nggak? Coba lihat di chat Zoom. Itu oke nggak? Tapi berarti ada 4 sertifikat nih minimal. Cuman Kak Cika mesti nge-breakdown poin-poinnya biar si Uncle bisa tahu, oh ini gitu loh. Kalau cuman sertifikatnya aja mah ada nggak kelihatan kan.
Ya itu Bud. Data science, data visualization. Good. Cukupnya Mel.
Cara mau masuk lupa ngasih link.
Si Bon tuh apa sih sebenarnya?
Seaborn
Lahir
itu,
laut.
Seaborn itu kayak Matplotlib, cuman dia lebih lebih bagus, lebih banyak variasi grafnya.
Kenapa dia masih import Matplotlib kalau udah pakai si Bon?
Kagak, soalnya plottingnya tuh ada yang pakai Matplotlib. Kalau Seaborn tuh yang gini-gini loh. Lihat deh, Pik.
Ini ya.
Yang heboh-heboh gini tuh udah biasanya udah Seaborn. Tapi kalau yang masih plotting-plotting yang cupu-cupu, itu biasanya Matplotlib yang garis, yang titik, yang bar.
Jadi sepuh gitu ya.
Ya, apa ya, Matplotlib teh old school lah, apa ya, standar lah gitu.
Hmm.
Hello Sarah, I'm sorry I forgot to send you the link. I've been waiting for you. I forgot to send the link ya. I'm sorry.
It's fine.
I thought I have sent you all the link for today. But apparently I forgot. Okay, Sarah, are you going to do the exorcism? Take a look and I think this exorcism give me headache. Let's find Lua ya. Find Lua on exorcism. It is really hard. Hugo gave up doing this, and then he chose Roblox. Mana ya ininya? Mana cara pilihnya ya? Pilih Lua ya. Di mana pilih Lua? Learn. Oh, see Sarah. I have Python and Lua, and haven't done this in 10 months. Lots of work to do. I only complete 1. Ih. Give it a try, Sarah. Probably now you're this is crazy. I can only do the which one I have done? Nggak tahu, lupa. Lots. Oh, there is resistor color duo. Resistor color duo is probably related to what we did this morning. Black, brown, red, orange. Sarah, take a look at this. Take a look. Ini apa nih? Wah, yang pikir udah heboh-heboh. Start resistor color duo. Aduh, if you want to build something using Raspberry Pi, you'll probably use resistors for this exercise. You need to learn two things about them. Each resistor has resistance value. Okay, color coded bands. Okay, black 0, brown 1. Iya. Terus suruh apa? From the example above, brown green should return 15, brown green violet should return 15, ignoring the third color. Brown green violet. Terus suruh apa? Start in editor. Instruction, Sarah, have you, which one? Error, Vicky error kenapa? Oh, Kak Cika migran ngeliatnya, ya Allah, apa sih ini bar plot data fire state, fire spots. Kebakaran nih, data kebakaran. Oh, yang tadi pakai mean values, sekarang median. Mean tuh rata-rata ya, median tuh harga tengah ya.
Ya,
Berarti tinggal diganti doang dong, jadi dari mean ke median gitu, harusnya mah ya. But remove the error bars, cenah. Create the same plot. Yang dua udah. Oh, remove the error bars katanya. Resistor tuh suruh ngapain sekarang? Run test coba. Run test. Assert equal. Sarah, look, Lua is hard. Brown and black. Assert equal 10 RCD value brown black. Apa sih nggak ngerti sumpah demi. Test. Ini gimana ya? Tesnya kita lihat. Taruh. This is the test. Run test. Okay, I'm going to run the test. How do I change it? Function. Oh, this is the colors. Return value function colors. Lah, terus diapain? Result should be asset equal 10 RCD value brown black. Oh, jadi brown sama black masuk ke sini.
aneh banget kenapa error.
Yang mana? Oh, yang ini yang remove error barnya itu ya? Tapi cakep ya?
Iya,
Ini
cuma aku disalahin di mana sih?
Nggak tahu, Kak Cika nggak ngikutin sih, nggak ngerti yang dia maksud dengan error bar tuh yang mana. I don't
Kalau
understand.
set CI kan jadi non. Tadi udah update ya.
Banyak banget sih parameternya, astaga. Firespot, X-nya firespotnya kan, Y-nya state-nya. Oke, estimate. Oh, ininya error bar-nya udah di non ya? Apa mau dihapus aja? Mau dihapus aja, Fik? Nggak usah pakai error bar. Delete aja udah yang itu, belakang koma semua sama koma yang terakhir. Coba. Yeay, 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 yeay. Ijo dong. Ih, enggak dong.
Kan CI-nya harus non.
Oh, harus di non. Allah ya sama aja kali nggak ada sama di non.
Oh gini aja deh.
Describe it.
Gak usah median.
Hah? Min.
Tuh CI masalahnya tuh di CI-nya.
Si A itu apa sih, Fik?
Ini
Ya itu apa? Nggak
si
ngerti.
bon. Dia tuh plat ini kan.
Hmm, parameter error barnya ya.
Iya, aku udah coba CI, udah coba.
Oh, kalau beda seaborn, beda itunya. Ignore ada orange and orange, red and. Ini gimana sih Sarah cara makainya? Bentar, coba ya. Kak Ciko penasaran banget ini.
Gini aja nih. Ini ada yang bikin
Sambil lihat yang Vicky, sambil lihat yang Sarah. Antara Lua dan Python. I'm torn between the language ya. Gitu coba. Berhasilkah? Berhasilkah?
Astagfirullahaladzim. Kenapa dia ngasih contoh pakai kutip ya?
Emang harus pakai kutip? Oh,
Pas aku nggak pakai kutip benar.
uh-uh. Sinonnya itu nggak usah pakai kutip ya? Tapi
Yuk,
Vicky terlalu pintar kan? Ya udah good lah.
bisa. Udah, udah coba begini. Bam.
Berhasil. Jagonya dia. Oke ya. Ini lagi mikir, Sarah, I need to make this work. I don't know which one you are working on, but I determined to do this resistor color duo in Lua. Value function colors. Where is the required resistor color duo? Okay, it is required. So if we value function colors, get help. Apa sih maksudnya? Aku nggak ngerti sih sebenarnya. Ini how to do it ya. Test failure. Assert equal. Quadrant. Assert equal. RCD Brown. Equals. Function requires a minimum. Oh ya. Apa gini sih? Coba ya. Brown. Black. Brown. Black. Run test. Ih, salah. Function. Kak, functionnya apa sih? Value sama dengan function color. Oh. Tunggu dulu ya. Brown green should return 15. Oh, green violet should return 15:2. Ignoring the third color.
Outlook
Stop.
kapan? Foto.
Function it and black function. Assert. Oh. Berarti tambahin apa ya tadi ya? Sorry. I know now. Hah? We cannot modify this one? Lah, terus gimana? Sarah Lua is confusing, yes. I'm going to find out exorcism. Color blue. I'm taking a look at the answer and get lost there. This is hard. Lua is impossible, yes. I can.
I haven't passed the Hello World thing.
Really?
I don't remember though. I hadn't done Lua since February.
This is the crazy Lua, Sarah. This is crazy Lua, you know. This is even harder than any Python exercise I've ever done. You know, not only I'm not familiar with the language, the problem is so hard.
Does float basic math functions we
Oops.
have in Lua, we can add.
Mana yang gampang? Easy. It's not easy. Which one is the hello world? Let me recall. Oh, this one. I can't even. Oh, for this one. This is the answer, Sarah. I don't remember how I get that. Local hello world. Function hello world hello. Return hello world. Return hello world.
Oh,
I don't understand which one. So this is the code. And then the test, local hello world, require hello world, describe hello world function. It says hello world function, local result, hello world, hello. Apa sih?
so like local Hello World is the
I don't understand, seriously, I don't understand because we have this code on task and then we have our own code. And how those things are related? How?
they are.
They're related to different code or what? Or what?
Local Hello World is, I don't know what the local thing is for.
I don't know the describe thing. What is it?
Well, describe, I think describe is more like define. Maybe.
So which okay, how does they work? How do they work? The function will call hello world hello. And then return hello world, just that. Return hello world. Why do they have two returns? Describe hello world function. It says hello world function. Describe. It says local result hello world hello. Assert equal hello world result. I cannot. I cannot figure this out. Too confusing is. Python is easier. Woi, ini plotting kan? Ini pakai matplotlib ya? Oh, scatter plot. Oh, Seaborn ini. Ya,
Scatter done ya.
dan. Nah, sekarang line. Hehehehehehe.
Emang
Wah,
kuncinya harus baca dulu sih, parah.
Gila, sekarang dia pakai catatan I. Mantap. eh eh, ih, Lua is so hard. Let me know the progress, Sarah. I am struggling to understand even the hello world. I don't know how did I figure this out. The classical introductory exercise, just say hello word. Okay. Modify the provided code so that it produce the string hello world. Run the test suite and make that it succeed. How do you get help? Help, Lua is killing me. This is not easy at all, yes. Tutorial exercise ada, do they have any public solution?
Did you know Lua has a garbage collection?
Huh? Just like Java?
Like, if you set something to nil, it undefines t. It undefines the thing.
Nil. Nil means it's empty or something, or variable with no value.
Yeah, I guess so.
But the language is, I cannot wrap my head around it because things doesn't seem to be connected in Lua.
In Lua, there's do and n. There has to be an n.
Oh yeah, there has to be n. Yeah. I noticed that. But how Lua defines function confuse me because it's like double definition. It's confusing, just confusing.
There is no this kind of symbols either. So in Lua, you only use this or like that.
Oh, crazy. Wait. I have 7 unfinished ongoing Lua exercise in here. I'm doing the reverse string leap, sum of multiples, phone number, Hamming, resistor, and Bob. Yang Bob ini apa sih? Bob is a lock and lackadaisical teenager. He likes to think that he's very cool, and he doesn't know that I won't be cool. People talk to him, his response are pretty limited. Sure.
In Lua, there's this.
What? Yeah. What does it mean?
I don't know.
Me too. What's that?
I'm really
Infinite things. Continue in editor. Mama, test passed. Hey, does this Siogenic chamber make me look fat? Sure. Result. Alphabet. Gimana sih ini? Bob shouting. Oh, if it's stating something, instruction, question, sure. Gel, capital. How to check capital in Lua? Oh my God, this is so hard. I prefer just the flag.
The thing I showed you means the negation,
Uh-huh.
the negation of equality.
Oh, I know. So the like the inverse of one state. Yeah, the negation of it. Oh, so not equal.
No, equal
Oh,
is double equal.
yes. So not equal. So it's like if the answer is not equal to something, we use the tilde thing, right?
Lua doesn't have math. Sorry, C functions.
Function.
Like the plus plus, that's a C function
Oh,
apparently.
yeah. For adding by one, Lua way of stating things is totally different, right? I don't know how to do list in Lua. Hah?
Gila aku lupa.
After ending the first two code cells, display the first 10 rows. Head, ya head. Ya, pinter. Ya, lupa tapi bisa.
Dikit.
Ah, pikir tuh. Kayak gitu dia. Head and tail. Apa sih kalau di bawah itu tail? Tadi tuh lagi apa coba cek dulu ini. Ah, nice. Let us check.
What's a local variable?
Local means that the variable will only be recognized inside some function.
Oh,
Global means that all function will acknowledge it.
that sounds sad if you're local.
It's nice. I like to be local because I only want to be noticed in my own circle. So that's good. I don't want to be global.
What if you're the variable?
Yeah, I want to be a local variable.
What if a local variable is made inside a function that is never used?
Yeah, the variable will only be used inside of the function, but not going to be used by other function or global function. So it will be there only inside the room. So people outside the room will not recognize the variable.
There is something else about Lua.
What?
When you want to use string concatenation, you
It's
need
harder
to use
than
2 dots.
2 dots. Oh, yeah. I've seen that before, Sarah.
Example
Oh
like
yeah,
that.
yeah. I've seen that before. I've seen that. I've seen that before.
What does short-circuited mean?
Printer dot line. Which one, sir? Let me check.
What
Eh.
does uh
Can you type it down for me?
Don ya.
Iya, dan oke, Mac. Udah, iya, line. Short circuit. Oh, short circuit mean when you connect the plus and the minus, when you connect ground and 5 volts, it's short circuit. It will burn the circuit, Sarah.
okay.
It will cause fire and explosion. It will burn. Yeah, when you like put the wrong sign. I mean, when you put ground to the 5 volt or the 5 volt to the ground, it also can cause short circuit. So when the polarity is reversed, it will be burned. The component will be burned. Short circuit is a disaster. I've burned lots of components because of that. So when you have, it's like when you have a battery, you know that it has two ports, right? The first and the positive and the negative, right, Sarah?
Yeah.
And then if you put the battery on your, let's say, do you know the battery where the ports is both on the top of the battery? The usual battery has, like the positive one on the top and then the negative one on the bottom, right?
Yeah.
That's harder to be short circuit. But if you have the battery, which all the ports or all the terminals is on the same side, and then you put it in your bag, and then there's a coin or a metal objects or anything that connect those two ports, it can cause sparks and burn things. I got a student brings electronics stuff everywhere inside his bag, and he's got fire in his bag, it's because the short circuit thing. I think it's, I don't know, probably a paper clip, the metal paper clip. I think the metal paper clip short circuit those batteries and then create sparks and burn his bag. Not the entire bag, but big enough to make a hole. And imagine if there's, like probably liquid or a smartphone or power bank. Yeah, it can cause bigger explosion.
How do you avoid it?
Sorry, Sarah?
How do you avoid it?
Yeah, you just make sure anything with like with ports, a negative and a negative and positive ports, 5 volts and ground, to be covered, or you put it in a box, or make sure they won't see each other or connected to each other. It is like do you know the power socket in your house? It has 2 ports, right? The 2. If you connect those 2, then you will get electrocuted. And then yeah, the 220 volts, right? It will kill us. Even 5 volts it is painful enough for a human. So if you connect, don't ever connect 2 ports of the power sockets in your home together because the current will flow through you because it will find the ground and then we get electrocuted. That's how it works. Or it will create sparks and fire. So that's why I told you to, Sarah, that's why I told you to plug off the Arduino before you modify the circuit, right? It is to avoid that if you accidentally short circuit between the ground and the 5 volt, and then it won't affect the computer or the ports because it will short circuiting means that there will be a high current or high voltage going through the wire. It will destruct any components connected to the wire. Such a long explanation and I still haven't finished any Lua exercise, yeah?
Okay, I have a question. What does the sentence mean?
Or an N or short circuit. Where do you get this? N or short circuit or an N. What is the context? Is it circuit or programming?
Programming.
Tunggu, let me think ya. Kok gini ya? Oh. Short circuit. In programming, wait. Short circuit in programming. Oh. Wait, Sarah. I haven't heard of this before. Let me read. The compiler skips the execution of evaluation of some sub-expression in logical expression. Oh, expression. Short circuit means in programming you skip some certain of operations, Sarah. I don't know. But I haven't been. This is it. I haven't heard about this, but which the compiler skips the execution or evaluation of some sub-expression in logical expression. The compiler stops evaluating the further as soon as the value. Oh, I see, Sarah, I know. Okay, okay. Or an NR source circuit. So, like this, Sarah. If you know that certain part of an equation is correct, then you can continue the you can further execute without considering the next logical expression. That's our circuit. But I still haven't find the correct example, the proper example. Ini gimana ya? Else wait ya, kenapa or nx or is gimana ya? Let me check, Sarah. Oh kan kalau or itu coba ya, let me think. Or itu kan when 0 0 equals 0. 0 1 equals 1. 1 0. Oke, udah just ignore us ya, nih udah nggak tahu nih. Kita udah stres. Jadi ini gini, gitu kan? 1 1 berarti 1 gitu ya, sama. Itu or. Kalau n itu 0 0 sama dengan 0, 0 1 sama dengan 0, 1 0 sama dengan 0, 1 1 sama dengan 1. Short circuitnya di mana? When do we use short circuit evaluation in programming? This is the description, Sarah, but I still cannot figure out in what case. This is like, Sarah, remember when we play Terminal 2?
Yeah.
When you have to check, okay, this is the wired, not wired, and then less than wired. So sometimes you don't have to figure out the whole sentence, right? Just up to, like, when it's or, when the first part is correct, then it's correct, right? We don't have to check the other one, right?
Sometimes.
That's short circuit. But if and, I think and then for and, if you have to condition, and then the one part is already false, then it will be false, because and requires both to be true, right? So it is it is short circuit. I think that's what that means by it. Yeah, remember the Terminal 2, the thing that you finish it.
Conditions.
Yeah, the conditions. So for or, when we got one part right, then the whole sentence will be right. But for and, if we got one statement is wrong, then the whole statement will be wrong. Okay, I got that.
Okay. I got it. Thank you.
So I got it wrong by explaining a circuit, but I'm more familiar with electrical engineering terms of short circuit. But yeah, in software is also some. Short circuit, lihat. Now let me see the same distribution look like when you use KDE plot. Histogram. KDE plot apa sih? Fik lupa. What is KDE plot? Oh, Seaborn. Yeah, Seaborn punya Seaborn. Nice. Drawing a small continuous curve for every individual data point along an axis. Okay. Mana sih?
Wah, aku dipoto.
Hah?
Nggak tahu ada
Dipoto.
suara screenshot. I hear screenshots going on.
Ini box plot.
Yup. And I hate it.
Biasanya kalau Vicky hate it, lancar dia. Sales total, oke. Abis ini gimana ya? Kita cobain itu yuk. Kita cobain itu Fik abis ini kalau ini udah tamat.
Lalu nih aku lagi enjoy sih sebenarnya.
Ya iya, maksudnya kayak gini, yang kayak gini.
Ya ya ya
Tunggu-tunggu
ya.
ya.
Apaan sih? Aku nggak pencet back.
Ulang lagi dah.
Nggak. Dia pasti kan udah di save. It's not how it works.
Tunggu. Duh, catatan Kak Cika tuh banyak banget, ay. Oh, ini aja berarti visual. Oh, already ya. Visual argument sudah belum sih? Belum kan ya? Itu si Bon ya sekarang. Oh, I still have lots of things. Haha, nice. Bikinnya tuh ininya, bikin sertifikatnya as soon as I have. Ini update apa sih?
Oh, box plot doang.
Ya, doang
Nggak, dia
katanya.
tiba-tiba ngasih ini dong kayak parameter median, what tiles. Ini apaan?
Doang ini udah dong lancar langsung.
Ini harus di-run dulu nih kalau habis back.
Harus dari awal ya, dari depan di lagi.
Oh iya, I'm sorry, it's my fault.
Paste. Weh, sebenarnya ini bacanya gimana sih bentuk ini?
Begitu
Lebih
dah.
berat, lebih berat ke kiri gitu ya intinya.
Betul sekali.
Pokoknya range-nya tuh maksimum di mana, minimum di mana, terus kerapatannya di mana gitu
I
kali ya.
can show you but I cannot explain. Ini tab apaan kak? Bar apaan kayak begini? Mouse code?
Harus banyak, Fik, baru kebayang. Jadi ini tuh Kak kayak scatter yang di kanan ini kayak scatter data, tapi mostly tuh mereka berkumpul di 0,2 sampai 0,5 gitu loh, Fik. Si biru ini tuh, tapi range-nya tuh dia dari sini, dari atas sedikit 0 sampai 1. Terus ada sedikit di atas 1 gitulah. Kita buat lihat, kayaknya buat lihat crowd-nya ada di mana gitu. Misalnya kalau umur, rapatnya di umur berapa, kalau harga di berapa.
How can you read this? Yang kopi-kopiin dulu deh. SNS box plot.
Ini lihat, mau lihat dong. Oh ya, sok kopi. Tapi mau lihat ya. Ani tuh, ya oke. Jika pengen memahami ini. Kan gini ya, high itu kan,
Ya, ada sih aku ngertinya
apa
dikit.
sih nggak
Cuman,
ngerti jelasin Fik? Ini saya
cuman
kasih nggak tahu datanya. Ini maksudnya apa siapa aja.
iya.
Ini tentang apa sih? Gaji GDP. GDP ya?
Populasi MSW tuh
Apa sih?
solid
Municipal,
waste.
municipal solid waste. Oh, jadi ngomongin sampah. Oh, ada populationnya, GDP-nya berapa, ada income-nya, ada region-nya. Terus kita mau lihat MSW-nya berapa gitu ya. Ada e-waste, ada medical, ada hazard.
Yep.
Terus coba lihat historinya. Histogramnya berarti logiknya gimana, Fik? Berarti MSW high. Oh, income. Ngerti. Jadi gini kan, Fik. Tunggu. Berarti kan kalau misalnya dia pendapatannya tinggi, MSW-nya tuh di sekitar ini kan malah tinggi ya. Ya kan, malah di angka ini kan. Jadi kalau dia income-nya rendah tuh malah MSW-nya rendah. Makin tinggi, lower middle, makin gitu tuh makin gede range-nya. Ya kan? Gitu kan logiknya gitu doang kan? Terus kalau secara sense, kenapa orang yang income-nya besar MSW-nya gede?
Iya.
Karena dia banyak beli sampah-sampah gitu. Bagaimana? Fik, bener gak sih maksud gue? Tapi udah sih logiknya kebayang sih. Make sense juga sih. Cuman kenapa M, kenapa MFSW itu apa sih sebenarnya MSW? MSW. Municipal apa sih tadi? Don't allow. Solid waste. Tuh kan? Iya, jadi lebih banyak duit tuh dia sampahnya lebih banyak tahu.
Ya,
Ya kan, karena yang barang yang dia beli lebih banyak, apalagi fast apa sih sekarang istilahnya fast fashion kayak apa, beli baju nggak dipakai, beli tas.
tapi aku tuh penasaran sama line yang tengah-tengah ini loh.
Itu mediannya deh kayaknya.
Ya,
Apa median peminnya? Median ya?
lebih
Ya, ya.
ya sih dia include semuanya sih karena ada 4. Ada quartiles, outliers.
Ya kan?
I don't know how to read this term.
Ya.
Outliers, outliers.
Outliers tuh yang ini, Vic, yang pada titik-titik nggak jelas ini tuh outliers nih.
Jadi kalau
Hmm.
nggak ada ditransfer.
Ya, orang-orang yang tidak terdefinisi nih kayak gue. Nah, ini outliers nih.
Apaan sih? Miss, you have your name written on Google.
Apa?
Tidak usah merendah.
Apa? Google apa yang mana, Vic?
Iya, Kak Cika tuh namanya ada di Google.
Loh, semua orang juga ada lah di Google. Mau gimana sih, Vic? Itu
But
jangan,
you
itu
have
jangan sekali deh.
made your marks. Nggak usah merendah, nggak usah merendah.
Vic, jangan kayak gitu. Ketika tuh lokal variabel, tanya Sarah ya, Sarah.
What?
Globally known.
I'm local variable.
Nah, sekarang cat parameter.
Ayo, chart parameter, go.
Okay, let me read this one first.
Mana? Ada multiplot display loh. Makin rame nih. Wah, Vicky bisa diajak sama Kak Cika ngerjain itu. Gue mau ngajak kan nanti ya, biar tambah pusing dia.
Ya, boleh, boleh.
Nanti ya
Amin.
kalau udah tamat sequence ini, Kak Cika mau itu, mau
Amin.
bantu, mau ngerjain itu yang datanya si Uncle.
Ini jadi kitab aku.
Okay, Sarah, how are you doing? Are you still do the exorcism?
No, I still need to figure out Lua.
Let me find something else related to Lua ya. Lua.
Right now, I'm trying setting it into hack the box.
Is it interesting? Because most of Lua lessons is video, boring video.
I know. That's why I thought I do Lua next time. Next time I'll have to try and find it before the lesson.
Yes.
So
But
right now,
Okay. But I think if you want to learn the hard way, the exorcism is good enough, see. Or Sarah, you can use Code Wars. Code Wars, but you choose Lua. But I think it's hard when you're not fluent enough, yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, we have to do this. Wait, we have to do it step by step. Atau ini aja ya. Ini lucu sih. Tunggu.
That's why right now I'm changing to cybersecurity.
All right, it's okay. I'm going to find you something. For Lua ya. Penasaran soalnya. This is Lua ya. Types control. This is not bad. You learn Lua in 100 seconds.
Isn't that a video?
Yeah, that's a video. But they provide us with with codes that we can run and see how it goes, and we can modify it. And it's, yeah, this is not bad, Sarah. Take a look. But they don't provide us with, like score or level, but they give us enough examples. Yeah, it's not as popular as other programming language, so it's hard to find. Oh, does SoloLearn have Lua lesson? Lua lesson SoloLearn. Huh? Have you finished Lua? Oh, nggak ada, Oh, nggak ada. They don't have it. They don't have Lua on SoloLearn. Too bad. Someone should make one. Apa dong ya? Yeah, wait. Yeah. Lua tutorial for absolute beginners. Learn Lua in an hour? Seriously. Lua course online.
But then she comes back to me.
What?
Sorry, ini lagi stres, Kak Cika ya.
Gak apa-apa. Kalau nggak stres nggak coding berarti.
Betul.
Yeah. You don't crack under pressure. Programmer doesn't crack under pressure, ya.
Programmer crack at the end of the belum gaji.
So from scratch. Lua course rating, complex Roblox Lua core syntax, Lua programming, Lua master the basic, web scripting, no way. Ah, nggak ada, tunggu. Sarah, Coursera has Lua lesson, Sarah. Let's take a look. But I think this is going to be lots of video. Oh my God. Okay, I'm going to do the full course, but without certificates, so it's free. Kayak apa coba?
Aku lagi memasakkan diriku untuk tidak copy paste. Karena itu dilecehkan sekali di dunia.
Kata siapa? I do copy paste all the time. Vic, you know what?
Apa tuh?
Kenapa programmer gajinya gede?
Kenapa? Karena copy paste.
Bukan, because they know which part to copy and paste.
Iya sih, betul.
Ya kan? Soalnya kita copy paste misalnya, kelebihan kurung nggak jalan, salah variabel nggak jalan, nggak ada definisi nggak jalan. Itu justru copy paste-nya programmer tuh the smartest copy paste in the whole universe. Ya kan, Sarah?
Huh?
Iya.
I found
Kalau lagi tes kerja pasti kan kita bingung kan, gila kita slide semuanya manual gitu kan.
Oh ya, boleh nggak Kak Cika share something sama Vicky? Jadi
Boleh.
one day ya, kan Kak Cika memulai karir lah.
Ya.
I found something. You please check it out. Probably this is useful, but probably boring. But check it out, Sarah. On Coursera, there's a Lua lesson. Jadi gini, Kak Cika kan memulai karir tuh dulu jadi pas lulus kan S1 kan elektro tuh. Terus Kak Cika tuh pingin jadi programmer kan. Gue udah ngajar di lab, udah ngajar dari SMA tuh udah ngajar coding. Terus pengennya ngajar programming kan. Terus jadinya, tapi senang ngajar. Jadi dari awal kerjaan tuh selalu nyari kerjaan yang ngajar gitu. Jadi selalu misalnya gue mau jadi lecturer, gue mau jadi instructor, gue pengen jadi tutor yang kayak gitu. Jadi ngelamar itu dulu di sekolah India gitu yang jadi apa namanya, jadi fakulti gitu yang ngajar gitu. Selalu gitu kan, Fik. Terus kan disuruh certification tuh. Misalnya, sertifikasi Java, sertifikasi C++, segala macam kan. Itu tuh susah banget. Nah, suatu hari tuh Kak Cika ikutan ini. Dan itu tuh kayak ketampol banget sih. Tapi terus akhirnya gue ngerti esensi hidup ini gitu ya. Jadi diwawancara,
Nah,
suruh datang. Terus dia bilang, coba sekarang kamu tulis kode dalam Java untuk apa ya, lupa ya. Misalnya katakan nge-sort bilangan gitu. Gak bisa dong, gue lupa.
ya kan? Ya
Karena
tahu.
terus Kak Cika tuh pernah baca bahwa kita
Eh,
tuh
Aku tuh di Codewords itu inget cara nge-sort. Misalnya bilangan integer doang atau bilangan ganjil doang, genap doang. Cuma sekarang kalau ditanya lupa.
ya makanya emang nggak gitu. That's not how coding works gitu loh. Problemnya dulu tuh Kak Cika shock. Hah? Kok gue nggak bisa? Jadi dia ngetes. Gue disuruh ngoding di depan dia tuh Java lah ya, Java. Tapi kan waktu itu kan Kak Cika ngajar segala bahasa. Shell scripting
Ya,
ngajar, C ngajar, C++ ngajar, Java ngajar. Gimana enggak?
iya benar. Pasti
Pak
lupa.
gitu loh. Tapi ternyata emang programmer tuh gitu. Dia tuh tidak suppose untuk menghafal semua sintaks, tapi dia harus jago konteks switching gitu. Jadi pada saat apa nih gue sekarang lagi ngerjain apa? Oh JavaScript. Oke, JavaScript tuh gimana cheat sheet-nya? Oke. Terus dia langsung set ganti. Oh, kalau JavaScript berarti begini. Oh, sekarang gitu loh menurut Kak Cika. Jadi sebenarnya terus gue setelah bertahun-tahun kemudian baiklah waktu itu nggak lulus, biarin aja dah gue mah. Maksudnya ya gimana? Siapa yang mau ngafalin Java setitik koma titik koma? Ya kecuali kalau dia tiap hari belajarnya Java doang gitu.
Betul.
Ada setiap hari beda-beda atau gimana? Ya nggak bisa tuh, emang lo gila. Kayak sekarang aja kayak tadi misalnya ngajar secara itu kan, elektronik circuit kan ngajarinnya pakai Arduino tuh. Karena kebanyakan pakai Python tuh Kak Cika selalu lupa titik koma gitu. Terus nanti teh kalau misalnya lagi ngajar Java terus lupa gitu, apa. Terus kalau pindah lagi ini kan sekarang lagi belajar Lua nih, ke gero otak lagi gitu. Tapi gitu emang, terus akhirnya ya nggak mungkin, Vic. Terus yang lebih gila lagi tuh ada juga yang kalau misalnya kita interview suruh ngodingnya ditulis, itu tuh katanya nggak mungkin lagi karena memori muscle kita tuh ngetik kan kalau ngoding.
Oh iya benar.
Coba sok sekarang ngoding tapi ditulis. Bisa sih kalau misalnya kayak ngafalin Pancasila gitu kali bisa ya. Apa misalnya? Import, coba soal ditulis kan jadi beda. Import apa? Random. Kan langsung lupa tau.
Iya langsung lupa dari awal aja lupa.
Import
Kalau
matplotlib.
aja ya. Import
Import mat
pertama import pandas SPD PD.
Kecuali kalau emang jago ngafal, kalau Kak Cika mah blank lah. Gue suruh ngafalin langsung nggak bisa. Karena emang nggak bisa ngafal, orangnya emang bisanya mengarang. Kayak gitu. Gitu, Vic. Jadi emang kalau kata Kak Cika mah programmer mau. Jadi kalau menurut Kak Cika
Kalau
justru
mereka
kalau
udah
ngetes
ke
programmer
bypass ya.
tuh,
Step
kalau
interview udah ke bypass itu tuh udah enak banget kerja jadi apa coding, maksudnya orang coder gitu ya. Karena bisa tuh di Google tuh komunitasnya banyak banget.
mau tes apaan?
Nggak nanya aja.
Iya emang. Jadi kalau mau ngetes programmer itu sebenarnya ya udah pantengin aja dia kayak code wars lah kalau kata Kak Cika.
Mantengin.
Jadi kayak code wars aja, lu kasih problem, ya lu cobain lu solve aja gitu. Mau lihat kode orang boleh, misalnya atau oke, lu nggak boleh Google tapi lu pikirin sendiri aja cari caranya boleh. Cuman ya gitu. It's not about memorizing the syntax per kata gitu menurut Kak Cika sih ya. Lebih ke problem solving atau lah pembelaan diri kali.
Nggak setuju.
Ya kan? Soalnya nggak mungkin lah ya. Sarai kok Python ya? Ini salah tahu ini Python. Hah? Kok jadi Python sih, Sarah? Loh, ini bukan Lua ya? Kok jadi Python ya? Kok salah ya? Salah, wrong language. Ah, bentar lo ya, go to course. Kok gini sih, Coursera? Tadi katanya Lua, tapi pas dilihat bukan. Atau mau pakai Replit aja, Sera? Bahang nih, bahang. Jelek ya. Tidak ada. Oh, coba kita cari di Replit yang lebih proper ya. Let us check ya. Kita cari dulu. Lua Obfuscator, Lua Basic, Lua Playground. Lua templates. Let us check. Run. Paling ya. Lua Basic. Lots of tutorials, Sarah, but nothing we like because all is boring link and reading and PDF and video. Nothing like challenging lessons or problem solving. Hah? Emang belum selesai? Iya. Tinggal dijemur. Oh, udah dijemur sama Keke. Ya udah nanti aja. Ya, nggak usah juga nggak apa-apa. Oh, nggak ada ya. Akses online. Academy. Cek. Catat plot. Oke. Oh iya ya, belum ngajarin machine learning lagi ke Vicky. Coba ini bisa nggak? Academy. Let me check. Close. Ih, ah, keluar kok keluarnya begini. Intro keluar. Okay, Sarah, let me check. I'm still searching for a proper Lua lessons because apparently all the lessons are boring. And to textbook oriented. Ini oke nggak ya? Tapi boring nggak ya, Sarah? Ada kuisnya sih. Tapi gitu. Coba ya, I will send you ya. I don't know if it's or not. But probably it will give us some guide about the the curriculum. Boring. Oke, this is ini nggak mau karena boring. Yang ini apalagi? Yang ini apalagi? Ini lucu nggak sih ya, Sarah? Let's check yuk introduction. Next lesson. Download the intro. Next lesson. Oh, we have to set VS Code. Nggak mau pakai VS Code, boleh nggak? Pakai Replit aja. Duh, kok boring juga ya.
Actually, the core games thingy is interesting.
Seriously? You want to do that?
I already have VS Code in my laptop.
Okay, good. I have to, but I don't know. Have you installed it already? The Lua. Okay, setting up your coding environment then. And then download Visual Studio Code, find the file path, and then Hello Lua. Script the hierarchy. Okay. We don't have to download Lua. It is already on the Visual Code. Oh, okay. Nice. So, find the folder, tab and tab, search, create your first script. Open the project content, print hello Lua, Control S. Run the script. Lesson.
Yeay.
That's the game.
Ini cukup challenging sih yang ini.
Rick, I cannot hear you. It is raining hard here.
Cukup challenging. Udah hujan di Bandung.
Wah, hujan setiap hari ya.
Adem dong. Wangi
Iya,
petrikor.
iya emang. Sejuk. Sarah, how is it going with the link I gave you? Is it okay?
I have no idea where's the create button.
Have you made Lua work with Visual Xcode?
I don't know where's the create tab in VS Code.
This one, yeah. Setting up your coding environment. Lua uses indentation to an indent shift tab. Control 1. Coba ya, I have Visual Studio Code juga sih. I'm going to try to code ya. Yes, I have this. I have this. File.
Oh,
Wait. Create new script. Tunggu Sarah. File. I don't have create new script.
I also need to download Core.
Ah, cool.
Yeah.
Where to download?
There's
Oh, this
a-
one. Open Core.
Where?
I don't understand. Wait. Core. What is Core? What is Core? Connecting Core to Visual Studio Code. How do you get Core?
You need to download it.
You have to download it, or is it already on the Visual Studio?
I think you need to download.
Seriously?
I think so.
Core download for Mac one. I think so. Not here. Kok aneh ya?
Amazing nggak, Miss? Amazing nggak? Amazing nggak?
Amazing banget, amazing. Ntar dulu. Let me rationalize this dulu. Ini baris sama kolomnya apa sih, Fik?
Nggak ada.
Terus apa maksudnya?
Cuma pakai plot dong. Tapi enak aja ngeliatnya.
Emang, tapi dia ngejelasin apa ya sebenarnya ya.
Lah ini baru pertanyaan keduanya. Let's investigate.
Oh.
Kurang ajar kan dia.
Kurang ajar, tapi bagus, tapi bagus. Itu kita kalau mau bragging ya, misalnya, Bapak, saya mau menganalisis data Bapak, terus kita sosok nge-generate, dia langsung, wow, gitu ya. Padahal kita juga nggak ngerti apa ini. Lihat lah,
Ya.
Pak. Ini tuh distribusi keuntungan Bapak dalam penjualan setahun. Ya.
Bullshit. Bullshit parah. Bisa sih bener.
Ini ya kan bisa buat bluffing guys. Menghindar. Sarah, how is it going with the core? I cannot make it work from here.
Neither can I.
Yeah, I prefer to run Lua in Replit. Haha. So I don't have to set up the environment. It's giving me headache. Or I prefer to run it on Roblox. Oh, let me check on CodeWord ya. Code right. Code signal. Tunggu sebentar. Let me check Sarah. Code signal login. Sign in with GitHub. Continue. My profile. Free screen. Okay. Code signal arcade. Oh, nggak ada Lua, Sarah. We don't have Lua in here. Oh, this is so rude. How about CodeWord? CodeWords we can always choose. Ah, learning Lua with I'm still searching, Sarah. Probably can find something better than that. Coba ini aja, coba. Sarah, do you want to learn Lua in 15 minutes?
No, class is over.
Yeah, this works, I think.
Okay.
I'm going to try the first one. I'm going to use Replit, yeah. Okay, before we end the class, I want to find with Replit.
Okay, bye.
Ah, done already?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Sarah. See you tomorrow. Palet
Aku
open
tadi checkpoint sampai
kawan-kawan.
palet ya Kak.
Oke, aku mau ngoding dulu bentar. Aku mau pakai Lua dulu bentar. Lua. Lua. My Lua. Lua
Lua tuh apa sih
studio.
sebenarnya?
Hah?
Lua tuh apa?
Lua tuh bahasa coding juga.
I see.
Tapi buat Roblox biasanya tuh dia tuh Kak Cika nggak bisa mendigest caranya dia gitu.
Oke.
Karena sama Python teh beda kan. Ini apa sih maksudnya?
Yaudah Kak. Bye dulu nih.
Udah beres. Hey,
Aku palet.
dadah. Lupa
Bye.
Arafah gimana kabar?
Ya masih sesek sih dia, belum kerja juga.
Oh, masih sakit, masih di rumah sakit.
Cuman udah di rumah, maksudnya nggak sampai ke sana lagi.
Oke, ya udah yang sehat
Masih
semua ya.
kontrol juga. Cuman harusnya sih 3 hari lagi sembuh.
Semoga sehat ya.
Aku udah
Pikirkan
libur.
ya.
Jadi aku tidur every day.
Nyantai ya. Bagus lah. Sip.
Bye-bye.
Bye, thank you, Pik.
Sama.
Dadah.